Hello, good morning. I'm eating my lunch now. My food is Filipino food. Milkfish, eggplant, and alamang. Hindi ko alam sa English yung alamang. Ayan, guys. Enjoying. O, diba? Guys, talong. Saw-saw ang talong. Sarap ng talong. Bangus. Guys. O, diba? Grabe naman. Ayan, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng bangus. Today is no diet. Forget ang diet na yun. Yummy. Diba? Lunchtime na po dito, guys, sa New Zealand. Hindi ko alam, lunchtime. Ang aga. Chili, guys. Guys, ut ko muna kasi. Nabubulunan ako.